Hey guys, I'm Megan with WTI, and I wanted to talk to you about my newest resistance training bands by Flexmate. The training bands come in a set of 5 so that you can slowly work your way up and build muscle mass. The bands aren't labeled with the amount of resistance on them. You can check it out on the box or on the product listing to know what they are. And ultimately, at least when I work out, it's more about feel than numbers. So you just want to try out the bands. If it's too easy, go up a notch. If it's too hard, go down a notch. Simple as that. Because the bands are flat as opposed to round, I do find that when I am using them, they don't slip. So for example, when doing leg extensions or doing squats, I don't find that the bands slide or slip down. And I'm pretty sure that's because they're flat and also because of the latex material. It's non-slip, it's very sticky. See? I don't just use these for workouts, I also use these for stretching, especially stretching my hamstrings. I'm a runner, they're always tight. These things are super tough and thick. Even the smallest, thinnest band does not feel like it's going to snap when you use it. I can really use my full strength with these to get the best workout possible. So if you want to try resistance weight training, I'm really happy with the quality of these bands by Flexmate, and that's my point of view.